Eto na ba yung content creator focused smartphone na para sa'yo? Tara, i-unbox natin. Basically, the Oppo Reno 15 Pro 5G is a premium tier content creator focused smartphone na ang highlight talaga ay design and cameras. And now, marami pa siyang AI features. Upon unboxing, yung una makikita is a clear TPU case and parang maganda yung kanyang protection against bumps and drops. After that, meron ding mga papelas, itong safety guide and quick guide. Keep it lang in case you need basahin in the future. Next, eto na. This is my Oppo Reno 15 Pro 5G. Ang ganda ng design. Let's talk more about it later. Then, eto, meron siyang classic na Oppo SIM ejector removal tool. Then here, meron siyang super VOOC-ready data and charging cable. Then here, meron pa siyang 80 watts na super VOOC power brick. I'm not sure if kita ninyo but meron din siyang pre-installed na screen protector. And ayan, ito yung laman ng entire Oppo Reno 15 Pro packaging. Yung build niya, sandwich ng metal and glass. The frame is aerospace grade aluminum daw. Yung feeling ko sa kanya, very premium, may tamang heft, and para na akong humahawak ng isang flagship na device. Etong display sa harapan, Gorilla Glass 7i daw yung protection niya. And then, yung ports and yung kanyang mga buttons and the rest of the phone, merong seal. IP66, IP68, and IP69 dust and water resistance rated pa yon. Basically and definitely, this is a smartphone na designed para maging durable talaga. Like most Oppo devices. Yung tawag ni Oppo sa design niya sa likuran is Oppo Glow and it is sculpted from a single piece of glass. So glass ito and then pag umangat ka papunta sa kanyang camera island, glass pa din. Yung build niya sandwich ng metal and glass. Ang lakas maka high-end, parang flagship na talaga yung feeling. Meron din tong up to IP69 dust and water resistance. Tapos of course, meron tong mga protection against drops and cracks even sa display niya. Napapansin niyo to? Whenever I tilt the phone, nagpapakita siya ng iba-ibang shine and glow. Yan yung kanilang tinatawag na dancing aurora texture design. So meron daw tong millions of microscopic textures sa the surface for a more comfortable hold. And hindi rin siya fingerprint magnet. Ang galing. Not bad din yung camera protrusion niya sa likod. Hindi siya masyadong makapal unlike yung ibang camera focus na mid-range smartphones. Considering na meron pa tong periscope lens for super zooming. And here, pansinin nyo, meron siyang Reno logo and it is stating that it is an AI-powered camera system. And if you will notice guys, kaya ko siyang hawakan with just one hand. Kaya ko siyang i-operate even with just one hand. Kasi yung display nito is just a 6.32-inch display. Pero maganda yon, AMOLED, 120Hz refresh rate, and 1.5K resolution. And check this out, check that. Yung bezels niya, symmetrical. Lahat manipes on all corners. Hindi makapal yung shin bezel, hindi makapal yung top bezel, and obviously yung side bezels niya are just right. Ang ganda ng viewing angles and colors overall. Yung overall build and design nitong smartphone na to, hindi na nalalayo sa Oppo Find X9 na high-end. Isa lang yung reklamo ko, medyo madalas yung likod niya. So if hindi mo ilalagay yung kanyang case, pwede siyang malaglag. Sayang naman, baka magkaroon ng dent yung device. I personally recommend putting on the case. Hindi ko pa nagagamit masyado extensively yung kanyang cameras, pero I can definitely say na yung kanyang 200 megapixels main shooter paired with a 50 megapixels 116-degree ultra-wide and 50 megapixels telephoto na may 3.5x periscope zoom. Tapos 50 megapixels din pala yung selfie nito. Happy ako. Ginamit ko siya as my main camera phone sa Taiwan trip, and ito yung mga camera samples. Enjoy! Madami rin siyang mga nakakaaliw na AI tricks. For example, itong collage na ito. Pwede mong i-pop out yung sarili mo sa collage maker niya. Ito yung resulto. Ang fun, as you can see. Social media ready na siya. And I think maganda itong i-share sa stories mo. As you can see in this image, ang ganda na ng portrait mode niya, di ba? Very clean yung edge detection. Ang ganda ng detalye, ang ganda ng kulay ko. But meron pa siyang AI tools na basically it can improve yung portrait mo further. Ito yon, yung AI Portrait Glow, and I'll show you yung result. Here mas pinaliwanag pa niya yung mukha ko. Ayun yung comparison. Ito yung old, ito yung new. Nagpantay yung ilaw sa mukha ko with the help of AI. Overall, that's it so far. Impressed talaga ako sa camera capabilities ng phone na to, and particularly itong kanyang very premium high-end build. Flagship level na rin yung kanyang display. And personally ako, nabibilisan ako sa kanyang performance for the task that I am doing. It is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 8450 processor. Hindi siya flagship processor, upper mid-range, pero sobrang bilis na siya for, again, what I need. Happy din ako that they were able to put a large 6,200 mAh battery sa katawan na ganito kanipis at 7.99 to 8.13mm, depende sa kulay ng phone. Here in the Philippines, the Oppo Reno 15 Pro is priced at 49,999 pesos. Medyo mahal siya for a mid-range smartphone, pero itetest natin siya in the coming days to see if worth it ba talaga siya for you guys. This is Peter of GizGuy.com, and thank you so much for watching.